MAVIS Bentley 8L, a 1920s-inspired supercharged V12, powers up at the 2017 Chateau Impney hill climb in Worcestershire, England. This 42-liter engine, with 1,500 horsepower, features 24 exhausts and a 3,500 cubic centimeters per cylinder design. Antonov AN2-62IR, a 9-cylinder radial engine, powers up at the 2016 Brazeltag event in Speyer, Germany. This 1,000-horsepower engine, built in 1947, was designed for the Soviet biplane utility aircraft. It supports agricultural and cargo missions across rural landscapes. Yanmar diesel. Type N15, an improved version of the NT110, powers on with a reliable pulse after modern upgrades. This 15-horsepower single-cylinder diesel, with a 0.638-liter displacement, reflects 1980s Japanese engineering. It drives small industrial machinery and agricultural tools. Beijer 35 HP Tändkulemotor, a 1938 hot bulb engine, restarts after 61 years with an air start system. This 35-horsepower single-cylinder diesel, with a 25.5-liter displacement, was built by Beijer Vimmerby. It powered Swedish industrial workshops until its last run in 1964. Rolls-Royce Viper ASV8, a 1950s turbojet, initiates a hand crank start using an unorthodox method by Pete Terpeluk. This 1,750-pound force engine with a 45-degree exhaust exit was designed for the Jet Provost trainer. It now serves as a private demonstration piece. Deutz MAH 716, a 1930s horizontal single-cylinder diesel, powers on after careful maintenance at a vintage show. This 11-horsepower engine, with a 1.81-liter displacement, was built in Cologne, Germany. It drove agricultural machinery in rural Europe. Blown alcohol Chevy 468, a custom V8 built by Randy Letcher, fires up with a high-performance 871 blower. This 468 cubic inch engine, delivering 1,000-plus horsepower on alcohol, was designed for the K034 dragster. It races with explosive power on the drag strip. Flathead Ford V8 276, a 1940s custom V8, powers up after a fresh rebuild in a 2017 video. This 276 cubic inch engine, delivering 120 horsepower, blends 239 and 337 parts. It once drove hot rods, shaping America's early racing culture. V12 Deutz Diesel BF12L 513C, a 1991 air-cooled V12, reaches full throttle after a long dormancy at a machinery event. This 19-liter engine, producing 300 horsepower at 2,300 RPM, showcases German engineering. Kahlenberg 150 horsepower 5-cylinder, a 1920s two-stroke diesel, powers up at the Cool Spring Power Museum in October 2022. This 4,123 cubic inch engine, delivering 150 horsepower at 340 RPM, was built for Great Lakes tugboats.